This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable split view in Mozilla Firefox. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Firefox here. I have the Firefox web browser opened up now. To enable or disable split view, if you look up top here, you could see I have 4 tabs opened here. Say that I wanted to view 2 of my tabs at the same time in a split view window. The way to do that, go to one of the tabs that you want to display in split view. Say this Google tab, I wanted to be a split view window. I'm going to right click on the tab. I'm going to go down to where it says Add Split View. Click on Add Split View. Now, as you can see, it has become a split view window. I've got my Google tab on the left side here, and on the right side, I can choose between any one of my 3 remaining tabs to be the right side split view. Say that I wanted eBay. I'm going to click on this eBay tab. And now to exit out of split view, all you need to do is go up to one of those tabs up there, right-click on the tab, and go to Separate Split View. Click on Separate Split View, and that kicks the tabs back off onto their own windows. Both of my tabs are still there. They're no longer in split view, though. That is how to enable or disable split view on Firefox. Thanks for watching.